Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how do we repost someone else's post into our story in Instagram. First thing we have to do is open the Instagram, and here I already have my Instagram. And after that, for the next, we just need to find out the post that we want to repost on our story. We just need to go into the explore button and decide. You can find out which post that you want to repost. You can just refresh the explore story by drag the screen downside, and after you found the post that you want to repost, you just need to click it to open it. And after that, you just need to go into these three small buttons and then just click the airplane symbol, and after that you just need to click add to your story. Now you can decide either you want to post this only a picture with a Instagram ID who own this post, or you can click it so that there will be appear the name of the ID who own this post as well as the part of the caption. Okay, if you want to do this, you can also add several caption here. You can just add an emoticon, and after that click down and adjusting the position of this type rating of you as well as the post. Okay, and when you're satisfied with everything, you just need to click add to your story. And let's check either the post is already posted into our story or not by just go back into the home and check into our story, and it's already posted into our story. That's all the way how we post someone else's post into our story in Instagram by iOS or iPhone. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.